Name the genetic condition caused by an unusual cell division which results in an extra or partial copy of chromosome. Yes, St. Thomas Aquinas.
Aneuploidy.
Incorrect. 21. Yes, Sacred Heart.
Klinefelter syndrome.
No, please. It is Down syndrome. A mixture contains 2.00 mole of oxygen and 1.00 mole of nitrogen in an 83.1 cubic decimeter vessel at 300.0 Kelvin. Calculate the total pressure. Yes, Aquinas, St. Thomas Aquinas.
3.00 by 10 to the power of 3 Pascal.
Incorrect. Sacred Heart.
90.0 kilopascal.
Correct. Calculate the volume of 0.1 mole per decimeter cube. Yes, Sacred Heart.
2.24 decimeter cube.
Incorrect. So I start calculate the volume of 0.1 mole per decimeter cubed NaOH solution required to neutralize 1.2 grams of acetic acid, CH3COOH. Yes, St. Thomas Aquinas.
0.2 decimeter cube.
0.2
Decimeter cube.
decimeter cubed. I give to you. A straight chain alkane has a heat of combustion of 2,880 kilojoules per mole. When 8.00 grams of the alkane is burned, it releases 160.0 kilojoules of heat. Determine the molecular mass of the alkane. Yes, Sacred Heart.
144 gram per mole.
Correct. That's the end of the Trusted Eye Speed Race.
Want to collaborate visually during your Google Meet calls?
That's correct.
Aquinas Senior High School ended with 40 points. Contestants, you've been served with some sheets of paper. You are not to touch any till I ask you to. We're entering the third round, and this is the round that we solve the problem of the day. The problem of the day is a complex problem or question that each school would solve, so it's common to all of you. You have 4 minutes within which to give a solution on the interactive screens provided for you. After you present your solutions, I would assess them and award points. Then I would read out the solutions that we're looking out for everyone to know, and then that'll be it. But at stake in this round is the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ Star. The NSMQ Star is awarded to a school that earns a perfect score of 10. That means the problem of the day is worth 10 points. So if you're able to get all the 10 points for the problem of the day, you win the NSMQ Star. The star at this stage, it is worth 2,000 cedis, and this amount goes to the team. And there's a way to share it. Each contestant will get 500 cedis. That is the 2 contestants up here and the reserve that may join or may not. Each of you will get 500 cedis, and then your teacher would also get 500 cedis. So you share equally. So that's the NSMQ Star for you. The NSMQ Star is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, for every life, for every future. So we may now turn over our sheets, and then we read the problem of the day. Today's problem is from chemistry, and it reads: in a water treatment experiment, a chemist tests the removal of lead-2 ions in a sample of water by adding chloride salts. A 20.0 cubic centimeter sample of water containing 0.0050 mole per decimeter cubed PbNO3 is mixed with 30.0 cubic centimeters of 0.020 mole per decimeter cubed NaCl solution. Determine whether a precipitate of PbCl2 will form under these conditions. You are to take the KSP of PbCl2 as 1.7 by 10 to the power negative 5. This is your problem of the day. You have 4 minutes starting now. Stop writing. Kindly take your seats. So, our contestants have put their solutions on the interactive screens and I have assessed them. This problem is a chemistry problem, and in this problem, a chemist tests the removal of lead-2 ions in a water treatment experiment, so in a sample of water by adding chloride salts. A 20.0 centimeter cube sample of water containing 0.0050 mole per decimeter cube PbNO32 is mixed with 30.0 centimeters cubed of 0.020 mole per decimeter cubed NaCl solution. Our contestants were to determine whether a precipitate of PbCl2 will be formed under these conditions, basically being asked if they could take out the lead by it binding to the chloride ions to harden to a precipitate that could be taken out. And they were given the KSP of PbCl2 as 1.7 by 10 to the power negative 5. Okay. Okay. So, this is the solution that was expected from you. Listen carefully. So the concentration of PbNO32 in the mixture is 20.0 by 0.0050 over 50, which is equal to 0.0020 mole per decimeter cubed. So you find the concentration of Pb2 plus, that's the lead ion, to be 0.0020 mole per decimeter cubed. If you're able to give me this one, you get 2 points. Then we work out the concentration of NaCl in the mixture, and that will be 30.0 by 0.020 over 50, which will give you 0.012 mole per decimeter cubed. And so with that, we get concentration of the chloride ion Cl minus to be 0.012 mole per decimeter cubed. You got 2 points for this too. Then you write out the equation of the reaction. So we have aqueous Pb2 plus aqueous 2Cl, which will be in equilibrium with solid PbCl2. Or you get solid PbCl2 in equilibrium, so you turn the equation the other way, in equilibrium with aqueous Pb2 plus aqueous 2Cl. So this Cl minus. So this tells you that there's an equilibrium between the solid and the liquid state. That means the precipitate will not show, right? So let's go on. So we work out the ionic product of, yes, we work of the equation. So we get Q equals the square of the concentration of the Pb2 ions and then the square of the concentration of the chloride ions. And that will give us 0.0020 by 0.012, which would give us 2.9 by 10 to the power negative 7. So if you are able to give the ionic product, you get 2 points. So you get a point for the ionic product equation, and you get 2 points for working it out. As for KSP, we've been given already. So since the Q, which is the ionic product, is less than the KSP. So the ionic product is 2.9 by 10 to the power negative 7, and the KSP is 1.7 by 10 to the power negative 5. So it's evident that the ionic product is less than the KSP. So then, a precipitate will not form because Q is less than KSP. So there will be no precipitate. This is a proof of the equation, because from the equation we can see that the PbCl is in equilibrium with the reactants. So this, when you're able to get all these, contestants, we are not done yet. So don't lose heart. We continue with the fourth round. Audience, please. Whether the statement is true or false. Please. Not to answer. The bell will go out on you when your time is up. Then another school may ring to answer correctly for the 2 points or lose a point when they are wrong. This is the Jupe true or false round, where statements, so I'll be giving a $20 promo. So send money to Ghana using their school's exclusive promo code. Jupe rewards the school with $20 for developmental projects in the school. So this is an opportunity for your alumni to gain money for your school without actually taking money from their pockets. So share your school's unique promo code in your school. The true or false round is proudly sponsored by Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need, send via Jupe. So I'll be starting the fourth round again with NGLESHIE AMANFRO. I wish all schools the best. NGLESHIE AMANFRO.
False.
Correct. Sacred Heart. A linear function has an inverse.
True.
Correct. Thomas Aquinas. A cubic function has an inverse.
False.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. If two forces are equal, NGLESHIE AMANFRO, they have the same magnitude.
That's true.
Correct. Sacred Heart. They can be perpendicular.
True.
Incorrect. St. Thomas Aquinas. They can have opposite directions.
False.
Correct. NGLESHIE AMANFRO. Cortex.
True.
Pith is a derivative of the ground meristem. Yes.
True.
Correct. St. Thomas Aquinas. Mesoderm is a derivative of the ground meristem.
False.
Correct. NGLESHIE AMANFRO. At constant volume, the pressure of a gas increases as its temperature increases.
That's true.
Correct. Sacred Heart. At constant pressure, the pressure and volume of a gas are directly proportional. Go ahead.
False.
Correct. St. Thomas Aquinas. Temperature. If the pressure on its volume also.
False.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. In any triangle, the given point lies inside the triangle. NGLESHIE AMANFRO. Orthocenter. Correct. Sacred Heart. Circumcenter.
False.
Correct. St. Thomas Aquinas. Centroid. Go ahead.
True.
Correct. NGLESHIE AMANFRO. The trajectory of a projectile is parabolic.
True.
Incorrect. Horizontally, a projectile launched horizontally moves along a straight line.
False.
Correct. St. Thomas Aquinas. The trajectory of a projectile can be a straight line.
True.
Correct. NGLESHIE AMANFRO. Plasma membranes are assemblies of carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids held together by binding forces.
True.
Correct. Sacred Heart. The fluid mosaic model describes membranes as a fluid protein bilayer with floating lipids and carbohydrates.
False.
Correct. St. Thomas Aquinas. Proteins of the plasma membrane are major recognition and attaching sites for pathogens during infection.
True.
Incorrect. It's rather the carbohydrates. Specific heat capacity is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. NGLESHIE AMANFRO.
That's true.
Correct. Sacred Heart. The heat capacity of an object depends on both its mass and the nature of the substance.
True.
Correct. St. Thomas Aquinas. Specific heat capacity is an intensive property.
False.
Incorrect. And that's the end of the speed race. Of the true or false round, sorry.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selenum.
True.
You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey, Charity school is brilliant. My son will attend this school at all costs. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Adwa, listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. Make sure you is here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Tell me to pay. Wait on the market. Help you make the most of your money. Meet and need. Send fire to pay. Tell me to pay.
You pay money transfer. Send.
At the end of the Jupe true or false round, NGLESHIE AMANFRO Senior High School had 21 points. Sacred Heart Senior High School had 40 points. And St. Thomas Aquinas Senior High School had 50 points. Contestants, this is the 5th and final round. In this round, I have 4 riddles for you to solve. Each comes to all of you. I'll be giving you clues to help you solve the riddle. If you are able to solve on the first clue, 5 points for you. Second clue, 4 points. Third, to the very last, 3 points. In this round, we have the Gore Riddle Bonanza. And this will reward a school that is able to solve either 3 or all 4 riddles correctly. At this stage, if you solve 3 riddles correctly, that will fetch you 800 Ghana cedis. And if you're able to solve 4 correctly, you earn 1,200 Ghana cedis. These amounts will go to the team. So, I wish you the best for this round. The Gore Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Good Energy. So are we ready for our riddles? Riddle. I am a polygon. The sum of my interior angles is 2 straight angles, sorry. I have 2 pairs of congruent adjacent angles. I have a pair of congruent opposite sides. Yes, NGLESHIE AMANFRO.
Kite.
Incorrect. I have a pair of parallel opposite sides. Yes, Sacred Heart.
So you are rhombus.
What?
Rhombus.
Incorrect. St. Thomas Aquinas. Go ahead.
The isosceles trapezium.
Correct. I am a flavor of charge. I repel my kind. I am carried by valence band vacancies. I am also carried by bare nuclei, that is, atoms stripped of all electrons. I am the flavor of electric charge opposite in sign to the charge on an electron. Who am I, St. Thomas Aquinas?
Positive charge.
Correct. I am a fundamental concept in biology. I am crucial for the survival of organisms. Walter Cannon, an American physiologist, coined my name in the early 20th century. I ensure optimal operating conditions for cells and organs. Yes, St. Thomas Aquinas.
Homeostasis.
Correct. Last riddle. I am a transition metal. I'm essential to both life and industry. I readily oxidize to form oxides and hydroxides. I'm the most abundant element in the Earth's core. Yes, St. Thomas Aquinas.
Iron.
Correct. So St. Thomas Aquinas has won the Girl Riddle Bonanza. They got all 4 riddles solved correctly. Congratulations to you, St. Thomas Aquinas. You've earned yourselves 1,200. So you've earned the team 1,200. Congratulations.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP. Wufilia. Huh? Wubefi. Goil. Good energy.
Our contest has ended. And at the end, NGLESHIE AMANFRO Senior High School had 21 points. Sacred Heart Senior High School had 40 points. So NGLESHIE AMANFRO Senior High School and Sacred Heart Senior High School, unfortunately we have to say goodbye to each other. I wish you the best in whatever you do from here. Congratulations to you, St. Thomas Aquinas Senior High School. You won the contest with 62 points. You also won yourselves the Girl Riddle Bonanza. And if at the end of the day, your score remains the highest, you stand the chance of winning the Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award, which at this stage is worth 1,000 cedis. The Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award is sponsored by Pepsodent. Every smile matters. So congratulations to you again. Thank you all for joining us for this contest. Do make it a point to join us for the next contest, which also promises to be exciting. But let me add, St. Thomas Aquinas, for winning the contest, you have qualified to the 1/8 stage. Please clap for them. I wish you the best as you progress. I hope you go further than the 1/8 stage. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Momo, Joy News, Pepsodent, Prudential Life Insurance, Jupay Money Transfer, Truster AI, Kivogari, Spain City Laundromat, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, GTP, and YFM. My name is Dr. Gladys Odeshringa. I've been your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in. Red receipt now.
Boss, let's go back.
Okay, here. Take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Let me see. She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow?
Grandpa, chase me.
What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here? Get Mikakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mikakrawa covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abrawe, Uncle Tabu, a dead and Danny, the plan of that 45 city, intimate dying. No sweet Mr. Everborn that 5 years here, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year. That is this year.
Make a flower.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selling true. You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey, Chinese school is brilliant. My son will attend this school at all cost. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. Metro do this here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Show me your pain. Wait. Help you make the most of your money. Needs, send fire to pay. Show me your pain.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
We are pleased to introduce you to our 3D Science application. 3D Science is an innovative science application designed to revolutionize
to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
At Academic City, we are not just students. We are problem solvers, innovators, and future-ready leaders. We power the future and create groundbreaking technologies ready to tackle real-world challenges head-on. In a world driven by technology, we shape the digital landscape, transforming challenges into opportunities. At the core of strategic thinking and decision-making, we thrive in the dynamic realm of commerce. We evolve into leaders who not only speak, but stand for what's right, forging narratives and stirring the conscience of the world. Embark on a journey with us, where innovation meets education. Academic City, educating future-ready leaders.
Want to collaborate visually during your Google Meet calls? Let's set it up in just a few simple steps. Click on Collaboration, then New Collab and hit Start. Next, click Sign in with Google Meet to link your board to a live session. Once you're inside your Google Meet, just click on Collab and sign in instantly. Start teaching, brainstorming, or collaborating live directly on the Collab board while your team or class follows along in real time. Once you're done collaborating, you can always save your work and access it anytime.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Gold stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Gold station today and energize your ride with Gold Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Gold Super XP, Wufilia, huh? Wubefi. Goil, good energy. Ja, dia.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Red hour receipt now.
Boss, let's go back.
Okay, here. Take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.